Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday, Karina. Karina's Nail Designs. This is an Instagram collab hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nail Gems. Our theme was Aquamarine. So I've gotten started with Baby Girl Lacquer, and that's the Glitter Be Gone. This is China Glaze Aquadilic. It's an oldie but a goodie. You can tell by that ugly bottle syndrome that it's been around for a hot minute. A long time. It's got that skinny brush, which normally makes me really crazy, but I'm telling y'all, this went on like a dream. I was expecting it to be hard to work with, but it went on really good, really smooth, and I love that. So nice, such a nice experience. Leveled out really nice. Was not expecting this. Very, very nice. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. We're going to get this one to dry down so we can do some birthday playing. Karina has been a friend of mine for a very, very, very long time. She has her own YouTube channel. I'll have a link down below. Please go check her out. I'll be using TULO19 and those pretty little butterflies. My H. La Costadora scraper, and this is Base's Loaded Lacquer. There we go. And it's on the black. I've got out my Conad stampers. We're going to do some advanced stamping today just for a couple accent nails. I really was excited about this. I loved the prompt, Aquamarine. Oh, I will have links for everybody down below that's participating over on Instagram as well as a hashtag. If I get those, I will put them, where y'all can find them and go check them out. There we go. We're going to scrape and we'll roll, pick up. Beautiful. Alrighty. I'll be using this Isline enamel, and it's called Clever. And we're just going to use this little Maniology brush to fill the design in. You can use a dotting tool or whatever works for you. I've been drawn to this little brush. This is one that came in the Mani by Me box one month, and it got broke out, and I used it, and I liked it, and it's lived out on my desk ever since. So I'm just filling this design in. I want to get back to yakking about, my friend Karina. Karina followed me for a long time, and then she started her own channel, and I was so happy for her. I was just thrilled. And she does have a lot of videos going on over there. A lot of Instagrams and everything. So I will have her channel for YouTube and Instagram linked down below for you to go check her out. But also all the other, happy people that jumped in on this happy birthday. So we're just filling this in. Nothing special. Just trying to stay in the lines. Not too bad on this one. This one didn't have, I'm not trying to get into too tiny of spaces, which that helps. Makes it a little easier. And I do let my decals dry for quite a bit, before I try to apply them to the nail. Because as you can see, I'm kind of thickly applying this. It wasn't like a super opaque polish. So I'm trying to make sure that, it's on there and it's on there good. And gonna, not be see-through. Don't want that. Flip it over, check it out. Looking pretty good. Got a couple of little spots maybe, but for the most part it's pretty good. You don't have to be perfect. I'll be using IMK's Bio Base, the sticky one. And I'm applying that to my nails, and I'm going to let that just dry for a second. I mean, literally, it's not going to be long. I'm going to go ahead and paint both of these nails since I'm just doing 2 accent nails. I'm going to do both of them at the same time. Typically, I normally do one nail at a time. Because, if not, if you fiddle around too long, it might dry out on you and you'll have to reapply it. So you're just going to go in and Alright, so you saw me apply that, and I'm going to apply this one too. I'm kind of cattywamping this one just a little bit. And I'm mushing them down, and I do push down with my finger to get it to stick to the nail. Alright, so I'm taking my little scissors, and these aren't my nippy scissors. Yes, they are. Who am I fooling? I'm trimming off some of the excess. My thread nipper scissors, I love these things. So I'm trimming off a little bit of excess. Tap, tap, tapping. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my cuticle tool, and I'm just kind of pushing down to break that extra decal off. You can see that one's not wanting to come up very easy. Ugh. But anywho, this is how I do it. It's okay. I promise I'm not digging down in it hard. Okay, now that I've got that trimming done, I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and some acetone. And I kind of tap, 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 dab, dab, and brush swipe. It's whatever works for you. I tap, tap, tap across the end and get some more acetone. I always dab my brush onto my paper towel after I get some acetone on it. I'm not wiping all of it off, but I am making it to where I won't flood my cuticles and everything, typically. I can't say that I always do it. I am a creature of habit, but sometimes even I go off the rails. You know, it just happens. So I'm cleaning up this one just like the other one, tapping across the end, kind of smoothing it over the edge of the nail, and making it be as, you know, as cleaned up as I can get it, because, you know, after I put my top coat on it, my chances of getting that stuff up by the cuticle get slimmer because I've already covered it in top coat. Now I've got to get through the top coat too. I always get up underneath my nail because a glob of polish up under there will make me really, really crazy. Alright, I think I'm pretty much done with that. I am going to go over these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Now watch them come alive. Ooh, that black gets to popping and the bling starts blinging on them butterflies. Oh, it's so pretty. I really love this one. So happy I could join my other nail lady friends on Instagram and help welcome or help one of our buds have a good birthday. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Once that is dry, I'm going to be topping it all off with some Sèche Vite. I know that's not normal, but it's what was sitting out, so we're using it. And this one's going to be done. I really hope you enjoyed it. I do hope you will go check out the other manicures. I'm sure there's just a bunch of gorgeous manicures over there. Here is my swatch photo. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.